The trigeminal nerve is mixed, sensory, motor, none of the above. And the correct answer is mixed. There is an abdominal part of the esophagus in case of ox, sheep, goat, horse. And the correct answer is horse. Explanation: in horses, a small part of the esophagus extends into the abdominal cavity before joining the stomach, whereas in ruminants, ox, sheep, goat, the esophagus is entirely in the cervical and the thoracic regions. Sclera is derived from ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, none of the above. And the correct answer is ectoderm. The sclera is derived from neural crest cell, ectodermal origin. Kidneys are lobulated in horse, sheep, dog, fowl. And the correct answer is fowl. Tapetum is present in vascular tunic, nervous tunic, fibrous tunic, vitreous body. And the correct answer is vascular tunic. Explanation: the tapetum lucidum, responsible for enhanced night vision, is located in the vascular tunic, choroid of the eye. Epidural anesthesia in cows is generally given between first and second lumbar vertebrae, first and second coccygeal vertebrae, second and third lumbar vertebrae, second and third coccygeal vertebrae. And the correct answer is first and second coccygeal vertebrae. In large animals, the most common sites for epidural administration of anesthetic agents are first coccygeal intervertebral space, that is coccygeal 1 and 2, and the sacrococcygeal intervertebral space, means between S5 and first coccygeal vertebra. In dogs, the number of thoracic vertebrae is 12, 13, 18, 20. And the correct answer is 13. Dogs have 13 thoracic vertebrae which are characterized by their articulation with the ribs. The femoral heads fits into obturator foramen, foramen magnum, glenoid cavity, acetabular cavity. And the correct answer is acetabular cavity. The femoral head fits into the acetabulum of the pelvis to form hip joint. The largest foramen in the body is foramen magnum, foramen trioceum, obturator foramen, none of the above. And the correct answer is obturator foramen. The obturator foramen located in the pelvis is the largest foramen in the body, allowing the passage of nerves and blood vessels. Pierce patches are present in ileum, stomach, esophagus, uterus. And the correct answer is ileum. Pierce patches are lymphoid follicles located in the ileum, playing a role in the immune defense. Deltoid tuberosity is present in femur, radius, fibula, humerus. And the correct answer is humerus. The deltoid tuberosity is a bony prominence on the humerus where deltoideus muscle attaches. The horn of an animal is connected to which bone? Maxillary bone, occipital bone, zygomatic bone, frontal bone. And the correct answer is frontal bone. The horn in animals like cattle and goats are the extension of frontal bone. Which organ maintains balance in the body? Cerebrum, ear, pineal gland, kidney. And the correct answer is ear. The vestibular part of the inner ear maintains body balance and equilibrium. Horny papillae are observed in which part of the following organs? Rumen, reticulum, omasum, abomasum. And the correct answer is rumen. Sigmoid flexure is absent in which animal? Bull, buck, ram, dog. And the correct answer is dog. Sigmoid flexure is present in ruminants and pigs but absent in dogs. The anterior ovarian artery is a direct branch of uterine artery, thoracic aorta, abdominal aorta, none of the above. And the correct answer is abdominal aorta. The anterior ovarian artery arises directly from the abdominal aorta to supply the ovary. The spermatic cord contains all of the following structures except vas deferens, internal cremaster muscle, dartos, spermatic vein. And the correct answer is dartos. The dartos muscle is a part of scrotum, not the spermatic cord. The term duct of Bellini is associated with which organ? Kidney, spleen, gallbladder, Mullerian duct. And the correct answer is kidney. The duct of Bellini refers to the collecting ducts in the kidney that transport urine. The optic nerve is of which type? Sensory, motor, mixed, none of the above. And the correct answer is sensory. The optic nerve, second cranial nerve, is purely sensory, transmitting visual information from the retina to the brain. The part of the hypothalamus that regulates body temperature is supraoptic nuclei, preoptic area, mammillary body, paraventricular nuclei. And the correct answer is preoptic area. The preoptic area of the hypothalamus regulates body temperature by coordinating heat production and loss. Ovulation fossa is present in the ovary of cow, bitch, sheep, mare. And the correct answer is mare. In mares, ovulation occurs at specialized depression called the ovulation fossa, unlike in other species, but it occurs anywhere on the ovary.